Yes, good day everybody. On today we're going to show everybody how to check your courses on your timetable. We've discovered that many students doesn't know how to check their courses on their timetable. All they just do is they see the timetable with lot of course code, and in between they are they are lost. So now this is a question that somebody asked. Said, I can't find all my courses in the final timetable. Please, any BizAdmin student should please help 100 level. So imagine you have your courses and you can't find any of that on your timetable. Know that now this is totally wrong. So what we'll be doing today on this video is we will be showing everybody how to locate your courses on your timetable. And now you scroll down, this is our reply on that. They say most times many students don't know how to check their timetable. Please list your courses. Maybe I should release a video on it so others can learn from it. So due to the question, we decided to release a video to show every person. Now these are the courses she said she couldn't find. That's Buzz 105, CSS 121, Echo 121, ENT 101, GST 101, GST 103, GST 105, GST 107, MTH 105. So these are the courses 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now how is it possible for you not to be able to find 9 courses on your timetable? So now we'll be showing how to locate these courses. Let's move. Now the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and download our timetable. But to download your timetable, we have already uploaded a timetable on our website, that is nounupdate.com. as you can see here, nounupdate.com is already on our website. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to the link, because it's on the announcements page. As you can see on here, it is bringing 2022 first of, as you can see 2022 first years and final timetable on the flash. This is it here. We'll click the post to download our timetable. It's loading. Yes, this is it. The final years and timetable can now be downloaded. Click the file below to download. So this is it. We'll click the file. Yes, this is our timetable. Now, according to what the lady on our Telegram page requested for, she said she couldn't see some courses, and the first course she couldn't see was BUS 105. BUS 105. So the first thing we'll do is we download the timetable. Okay, so it has been downloaded. On your mobile phone, there's a, depending on what you use, depending on the kind of application you are using, there's a search menu. But now we are using a system. On your system, you just have to press Control Find, you understand, to search for your course. But on your mobile phone, you click for the search icon. The search icon is just like I'm looking for an icon that looks like the search icon. Okay, I'm coming. Let me go back to our Noun update. Okay, just like the one on this Google, as you can see. Okay, yes, something like this. I don't know if we are seeing this. The search keyword, this icon is called the search icon. You understand? So you will see it on your mobile phone, then you type the course BUS 105. As you can see, it has 1 out of 1 keyword matched. So this is it, BUS 105. As we can all see, this is BUS 105. It's coming up on Thursday, 9th June 2022 in the morning. We have the timetable is being separated into 3 times. From the top, we have 8 a.m., we have 11 a.m., we have 2 p.m. 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m. But on this timetable, there has been some changes in time. As you can see, the one for Friday comes up by 3 p.m. And this has a certain reason for that. There's a time lag. The upper one at the top is 2 p.m. while this is bringing 3 p.m. So we need to be watchful of the time also. Now our BUS 105 we got was, okay, let's get that. It's saying Thursday 9th June. So for the lady that was saying she couldn't get all her courses, I believe this has been noted first, BUS 105. Then the second one she said she couldn't find was CSS 121. Let's get that. CSS 121. As you can see, it's matching again, 1 out of 1. As we can see, CSS 121 is saying what? Saturday 4th June. Saturday 4th June. Maybe I should zoom this so we can all see. Yes, CSS 121. It has been highlighted here. CSS 121. So it's saying Saturday 4th June, by which time, according to the time at the top, by 2 p.m. By 2 p.m. you should have your CSS 121. Then the third one she said she couldn't see was echo, that ECO 121. Let's just cancel the CSS, let's put echo. So as you can see, 1 out of 1. Also that one too is by 2 p.m. Let's check the date. You just slide to the left. That's Thursday 2nd of June. So you can see, all you have to do is go to the search at the top and type in the keyword. No space in between. No space in between the alphabet and the numerals there. Then the next one she said she couldn't see was ENT 101. ENT 101. Okay, this is Tuesday 14th June. Yes, in the morning by 8 a.m. ENT 101 will be available. So this is it. Automatically typing it, your mobile device or computer will just search for it and match the exact word you're looking for, instead of you scrolling down and be looking, okay, let me be scrolling down like this and be looking for your this. No, we have to upgrade ourselves. Then the next one she said she couldn't see was GST 101. GST 101. Yes, that's on Wednesday 1st of June. So on the 1st of June by 8 a.m. don't forget this timetable is divided into 3. The one for 8 a.m. on this table, the one for 11 a.m. on this table, the one for 2 p.m. on this table, unless otherwise stated at the top here. You have to check the time. So if it is not stated, just know that this is 8 a.m., this is 11 a.m. and this is 2 p.m. Now we have gotten GST 101, which is Wednesday 1st of June. The next is GST 103. We delete the one here. You can see, then we put our 3. See, just match it immediately. Then this is coming up on the 25th of May. 25th of May, GST 103 in the morning. GST 103 is coming up in the morning. Then GST 105 is next. We'll cancel the 3 and put 5 there. As you can see, that is Monday 6th of June. Monday 6th of June. Can you see it is easy to get, easy peasy. Then the next one is GST 107 Friday 27th. Friday 27th, as you can see. In the morning also, that is 8 a.m. and now you can see all the ones stated here. It has been stated here. Instead of the 2 p.m. for regular courses, is bringing 3 p.m. here. So those having these courses on this day should note. I noticed that Fridays are always 3 p.m. If you check, I think the Fridays are always 3 p.m. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Friday again, as you can see, Friday, then another 3 p.m. So most people having paper on Friday should be checking. See, another Friday, 3 p.m. Sorry, 3 p.m. So they should be checking. But let's go back to our video. Then the next one, she said she couldn't see, which is the last, that is MTH 105. MTH 105. Yes, which is the last but not least. Wednesday 25th of May. In the morning also 11 a.m. Can you see it falls in under 11 a.m. On Wednesday 25th of May. So as we can see, all the courses she said she couldn't find has been discovered on the same timetable. So this is how you can check your courses, on your timetable. You can locate it easily by just typing the keyword once again. Don't worry, I will state the process on a blank page after the video, so we can actually follow the outline. Thank you.
At the National Open University of Nigeria, we do not only demystify education, we make it affordable, simple, flexible, and open to all without barriers. You study at your own pace and still graduate top-notch with quality education in sciences, management sciences, environmental sciences, health sciences, education, law, agricultural sciences, social sciences, and arts. At Noun, we help you to be a better you with our skilled facilitators and well-equipped e-library. We are spread across all states of the Federation and in all 74 local governments in the country. Walk into any study center near you and register today to become a student, or visit our website www.nouonline.net. Now, not just in name, but in action.